I got this far and I'm not going to go much further because, you know, sometimes you can go too far and then you have a mess. But I do want to put more of the white on the water. And I'm just going to go like this. I know if I get fussy, then I'm having trouble. See, this is going to be sort of like sitting there. Right here it looks like a bath. That's where the water's coming from. Back in there. Coming down this way. This way. Now maybe if I got this white on this tree, I can get this tree to lighten up, see? Maybe I'll make a couple of them a little lighter. Maybe the sun's coming through. Maybe one over here. Now on this rock I got white, so that's what I'm going to do. And that's my last thing I'm going to do on it. I'm going to put some color. Maybe it's almost purple. Maybe up in here. Oh, I didn't finish telling you my story. I got interrupted somehow. My mind wasn't there. But anyway, I'm going to say that I ended up, God wanted to know why I wanted to come down here. And I said, he came down, you came down, and look what happened to you. They killed you, and you died for the sins of the world. And you died for me, and now I want to live for you. And next thing he said to me, my dear child, do you really want to do this? And I said, yes. And the next thing I knew, I was back in the hospital, and I was all in pain from the operation. And I had to go for 5 weeks to recoup. And I told everybody about it. And God said, I want you to paint what you see. And I did. I painted the doorway with God, a glimpse of God, I call it. I made a video out of it. So if you want to look it up, you might Google a glimpse of God. And a gift paints a gift to God. Well, folks, I'm going to call that quit for today. It's a simple little waterfall, but you can see how I had trouble with the rocks, and I could bring this up a little later. See? And if you have, you know, I'm so glad to be able to do this for you. I really had, God gave me a choice. He knew my heart. He knew I wanted to come back to all my fans and keep telling them about you and showing them how to paint, showing you how to paint and encouraging you to paint. And I hope you are painting today. I hope this painting might give you a little inspiration. And may God bless you. I love you all. Goodbye. I'm doing a close-up for you.